Oh, sarap na sarap yung squirrel kakakain. Yan. Sarap na sarap siya, oh. Ayun, ayun. Ano kaya kinakain yan? Tinapay siguro. Baka yung tinapay na tinapo ng dalawa dyan sa labas. Ano naman. Sarap na sarap siya, oh. Ayun, ayun. Kabilis kumain. Ayan, nakatalikod kasi. Kasi pag nalipitan ko to tatakbo to. Aalis. Hi, squirrel. Yara! Come on, there's a squirrel here. Dali. He's eating the bread. Look at that. Look at that. There. See?
I see his bum bum.
You see the bum bum?
Yeah.
You see the bum bum? Ayan, ayan.
Yeah, who feed him?
No, it's okay, don't move it.
Yeah, who feed him? Yeah, who feed him?
No, I found it. It's grab the bread over there down the ground, and then you bring up and go up the fence. Gian!
Daddy, Gian is and mommy going to the new supermarket.
A supermarket?
Yeah, Kugan is not here.
Yeah. Wow. Hi, squirrel.
It's walking. Now how does squirrel walk?
Look, he's eating very much.
It's pushing. Okay.
Come on, look.
Look at his mess there.
Yeah, he missed it. Yeah.
Then look at the mess squirrel eat and the t-shirt.
Yeah. His teeth is very sharp. Look at that.
Daddy,
Yeah.
why squirrel have hand?
Yeah, you have a hand too.
I wish squirrel have no hand.
Why?
That's the one.
Kung maingay, tatakbo yan. Don't make noise. Hi, squirrel.
Hey, squirrel. I'm here for you.
Yeah. Right. Moving too much.
This is almost hulog.
What?
The squirrel almost hulog.
Almost hulog?
That
Almost
is
fall
too
down?
bright.
Yeah. The
Then I
sun
go
too
back
bright.
to watch TV.
You go back there? Okay.
If I get to watch,
Ayan
the
siya.
squirrel come back. Thank you for telling me.
Hi, squirrel. Hi, squirrel. Squirrel. Nakasulaw. Squirrel. Buksan natin ito. Don't go. Stay. Ay, yun o. Ito, nakuha na. Ay, bye, squirrel. Ayun, lumayo na nga. Nagtago. Ay, nako.